Hello friends, welcome to today's GCC class, and in this class we will see the virtualization for data center automation part 2. In this part 2 we will see the trust management in virtualized data center and VM based intrusion reduction system. Trust management in virtualized data center. Here the virtual machine monitor can provide secure isolation. That means the virtual machine can access hardware resources through the control of virtual machine monitor only. So the virtual machine monitor is base of security of your virtual system. Here the one virtual machine will taken as the management virtual machine with some privileges. That is we can create the virtual machine, suspending, resuming or deleting the virtual machine by using this management virtual machine. VM based intrusion reduction. First let us understand what is intrusion. Intrusions are unauthorized access to a certain computer from local user or network users. And next, intrusion detection is used to recognize the unauthorized access of our resources. And next one is intrusion detection system, which is built on the operating system and it is based on characteristics of intrusion actions. And a typical IDS. IDS means intrusion detection system can be classified into two types. First one is host based IDS and network based IDS, which are depending on the data sources. The first one is host based IDS that can be implemented on the monitored system, and when the monitor system is attacked by a hacker, the HIDS, that is host based IDS, also faces the risk of being attacked. And next one is network IDS is based on the flow of network traffic, which cannot detect the fake actions. The virtual machine monitor that will monitors and audits the access request for hardware and system software, and this can avoid fake actions and process the merit of host based IDS. And there are two different methods implemented on VM based IDS, that is virtual machine based IDS. The first one is IDS is an independent process in each virtual machine, or a high privileged virtual machine on the virtual machine monitor, and this virtual machine will act as a management virtual machine. And otherwise the second one is the IDS, that is intrusion detection system, is integrated into virtual machine monitor itself, and it has the same privilege to access the hardware as well as the virtual machine monitor. And this is the architecture for intrusion reduction system using the dedicated virtual machine. And in this diagram we are having virtual machine monitor. In this virtual machine monitor we are having one virtual machine which contains a guest OS and its own applications that will run on this guest OS. Apart from this virtual machine we are having the IDS. IDS it is having a policy engine and policy module which includes the policy framework and the OS interface library. And this IDS system is going to monitor this virtual machine by using this policy trace used to prevent this host from the attackers. The VM based intrusion detection system contains the policy engine and policy module, and here the policy framework can monitor the events in different guest virtual machines by their operating systems. And it is difficult to predict and prevent all intrusions without any delay, and an analysis of intrusion action is extremely important after an intrusion occurs. And most computer system uses logs, that is log files, to analyze the attack's action, and the IDS log services is based on the operating system kernel. When an operating system is attacked by the attacker, the log service should not be affected. Apart from this intrusion detection system, we are having honeypots and honeynets, and these are also very powerful system for intrusion detection. And these systems will provide fake system view to the attackers to protect the real systems. And the attack action can be analyzed and a secured IDS can be built by using this honeypot and honeynet. Here the honeypot is purposely defective system that simulates the OS to cheat and monitor the action of attackers. And the honeypot can be divided into physical form and virtual form. Here our guest OS and applications will run on this virtual machine. The host OS and virtual machine monitor should be guaranteed to prevent attackers from the virtual machine in a virtual honeypot. Up to this we have seen the trust management in virtualized data center and the VM based intrusion detection system. And these topics will cover under the virtualization of data center automation. And up to this our third unit is over, and in the next video I will give you another important topic from the grid and cloud computing subject. Thank you.